Hey, stop what you're doing! What if I told you that by 2026, 90% of the marketing tactics you're using right now will be completely useless? It's not a guess, it's a shift that's already happening under the radar. The game has changed, and while most marketers are still playing by the old rules, I'm going to show you exactly what they're missing and how you can get ahead. So, what's really going on? For years, the go-to strategy was more is more. Mass scraping for leads, blasting thousands of cold emails, and running low-intent ads, hoping something would stick. It was a numbers game. But let's be honest, it was annoying for them and exhausting for us. That era is officially over. Today, privacy regulations are tighter, buyers are smarter, and attention is the most valuable currency. The new king is data-driven personalization, supercharged with AI-assisted outreach. It's about being a surgeon, not a sledgehammer. All right, let's break down the strategy. Here's your new 4-step playbook. First, build a hyper-refined intent-based list. Forget scraping thousands of random contacts. Use tools like Apollo, Clay, and advanced LinkedIn filters to find people who are actively looking for a solution like yours. Quality over quantity, always. Second, enrich that list. Use AI tools to find personalized contacts. What did they post on LinkedIn last week? What challenges is their company facing? See, this isn't about being creepy. It's about being relevant. Third, automate the first touchpoint, but humanize the follow-up. Use a personalized icebreaker that your AI found. Then step in yourself for the real conversation. The goal is to start a relationship, not just a sequence. Finally, and this is crucial, create feedback loops. Track every interaction. Did they open the email? Did they reply? Choose that data to refine your approach and double your conversion rates over time. This system learns and gets smarter with every single outreach. So, let's bring it all together. By 2026, the winners won't be the ones shouting the loudest. They'll be the ones who connect the smartest. Efficiency will always beat raw volume. This isn't just a trend. It's the new standard for effective outreach. You want to dive deeper into this system and get the exact workflows and tools I use? Check out my full guide over at Lead Strategy Simplified. I've laid it all out for you there. Thanks for watching. If this sparked an idea for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to future-proof your marketing. See you in the next video.